Then hexagons. So I've cut these out. You can't even see. So these are the quotes. The quotes on the back. This is one that I've done already, but this one is just a sample that I provided. I did this one and then I showed it to the customer to let them know how it would look, and they just want this in a, so this is how it looks, and you've got the thing on the front. So some of the letters are missing, so if I'm doing any of these and the letters are missing, I'll substitute some of these letters to put on the keychain. Hope you know what I'm saying. When I was putting UV resin on this, they went in the hole, but I've got a nail drill, so I'm going to see if I can use that nail drill to make the hole. If not, I'll have to do them over, which I don't want. So count these to see how much I've got completed. So the ones that I'm counting now, these are the ones that are ready. I can actually put the key rings on these ones. So this one here, the eye is missing. So what I was saying that I've got some over here, like there's an eye on this one that I'll just take off and replace it on this one. So yeah, let's get into this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut out these circles. As you've seen the previous videos, I've done all of this, but I'm talking you through this one. I'm going to cut out these, and then I'm going to reuse. I am reusing these transfer tapes. So these are the transfer tapes that I take this off, you know, but I'm reusing them for the circle. So yeah, so I'll just cut these off first. I'll use this transfer tape. Oh, what I want to do as well, I'm just going to cut off just slightly at the top. So this is where the circle bit will be. Oh, so just quickly take these off, and I've got my bag here to put my litter in as I go, so whenever I finish I don't have a lot of cleaning up to do. which I recommend. Just clean up as you go, so it's not overwhelming when you're ready to do all of this. Okay, as I said, I always cut just like that, just a little piece off the top, and I'll show you why. I'm reusing transfer tape. I can reuse transfer tape only on the circles, on the shapes, and not with these little ones, because this transfer tape is not that good. Okay, yeah. So this is why I cut off the top right there. Don't mind these bubbles. Whenever I put the words on it, it's not gonna show, so I don't really pay attention to those bubbles. So these are two-sided, so I put one on this side and one on this side. If you want to do double-sided and you don't put them on both sides, it's not gonna turn out properly, to be honest. I tried that before and it didn't look good, so because I was stingy on vinyl, so now I'm like, might as well do it properly. So that's one. This one's a bit hot. Okay, so my neighbor is doing construction, so I apologize for the noise that you might be hearing. So yeah, so now I'm going to show you how tedious it is to use these transfer tape. This transfer tape is okay to use with shapes, as I said before. So yeah, so I've already pre-cut the transfer tapes to make the process go quicker, just like that. And I just put them over like that. And then I lift from back. You might not see what I'm doing, even though I'd like you to see, because I'm right-handed. So like that, it's not coming off on the thingy. So I have to use this. I want you to see. Hope you can see. I'll zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. So I'll just do one. So this is what I have to do for 50 of them. Imagine. So if you know any transfer tape, any good transfer tape that I can use, do recommend it below. So I have to do this. Yep, I'm gonna come off like that. Then I just have to go in and place it down over like that, then stripped away. So what I was saying, like this now, I use this to take off the shape so I don't throw it away. I just stick it right here to use later. I need to weed this. our battery is running out. So I'm just going to put the hooks on these ones right now. So we've got these. I might just use these that I have already. So I'm putting on these snap hooks on it as well as these. I've got this. This one, so I just put these right in there. So I'm not going to put any tassels on these. So I'm just about to put on a song so I can, you know, go through this thing. Yep, so let's begin. My first one. Two. Okay, so guys, I've done 5 already. I've done 5 in about 5 minutes. So yeah, I've done 5 keychains already. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed keeping my company while I do 50 keychains. It's been about 4 days now since I've been doing them, and it's been fun. My first bulk order. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on how the customer liked it and stuff like that. Also guys, I've got great news. I'm an Etsy star seller. I've earned the Etsy star seller badge for the month of October, and I think I might earn it again for the month of November, because I'm getting quite a few sales every 2 or 3 days, so which is good. So yeah guys, if you want to stay on this journey with me, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below what you like about these, if you like the keychains that I've made. Now I'm just going to finish up the rest, and then we'll be right back when we've done those guys, so keep on watching. So it is about, let's see the time, it's 9:30 in the night. So I've finished everything. I just have 3 more to put these hooks on, and I'm finished for the night. So yeah, it's been a long process. Officially almost finished. I'm very proud of myself and how they turned out. I decided to use gold and silver as well. So these are 2 different types of blue as well. So yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures of these and put on my Etsy as well, because I don't have these kind on my Etsy store. So I'll be taking pictures and put those on my Etsy. I'm going to also take TikTok videos as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And remember, you don't have to support by buying, but you can support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. So I'll see you in the next time.